Welcome to today's video. As computers have become an integral part of our daily lives, laptops, in particular, are favored by many professionals for their excellent performance and compact size. Laptops are crucial tools for programming work. They also contain many delicate electronic components. Therefore, it's essential to protect and maintain our laptops during daily use, where we'll discuss maintaining your laptop's cooling system. The cooling system is crucial for your laptop, ensuring all components stay cool. It usually includes a cooling fan at the bottom, heat pipes, and thermal paste on the CPU. Some high-end gaming laptops even feature liquid cooling systems, which use liquid's phase change and flow to dissipate heat. Liquid cooling systems are highly efficient but take up a lot of space. Those highlights the importance of cooling for laptops. Dangers of poor cooling. Overheating will cause a lot of issues for your laptop, such as performance degradation, hardware damage, shortened battery life, system instability, software errors, potential safety hazards. Laptop cooling system maintenance for computer novice. Laptop cooling system maintenance for geeks. Disassemble laptop. If you're a computer novice and don't want to risk damaging your laptop by taking it apart, you can simply clean the external dust. Use a brush to clean the dust and intake vents. Then blow the dust out of your computer from exhaust vents with a blower. It can reduce heat accumulation for your laptop. Use a brush to clean the surface, keyboard, and screen. Then, the external laptop maintenance is done. If you know a lot about disassembling and assembling laptop, you can follow these steps for deep cleaning. Firstly, loose all the screws on the back cover of your laptop. Then use a small pry tool to open the back cover of the laptop. Now we open the back cover of the laptop successfully. You can see the motherboard, battery, and other components. The cooling system is mainly on the motherboard, including the cooling fan, heat pipes on CPU, and CPU thermal paste. Use a small brush to clean dust and debris from these parts. Then check if the thermal paste on the CPU needs to be replaced. As thermal paste degrades over time, that's all about deep cleaning of your laptop cooling system. You can also use a laptop cooler pad to reduce heat accumulation. The laptop's cooling system is essential for its stable operation and longevity. With proper design and regular maintenance, your laptop can maintain good performance even under heavy load. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope these maintenance tips help you. Next video we will share some tips on how to clean up the junk files and free your disk space and details. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might need it. See you next video.